Let's synchronize.
Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back to check on my videos, guys. Today's video will blow your mind off. As you know, Christmas is around the corner. Look over here. I'm already started decorating. So Christmas is around the corner and I was thinking like most of you guys, or those ones who own restaurants, or you're dreaming of owning a restaurant, or you have a personal or a family kitchen and you're missing something in your kitchen. For example, you're missing a fridge, fridge part of the fridge, or you're missing a stove, part of the stove, or you're missing the entire stove, you're missing a dispenser, you are missing a KitchenAid, a cutting board, anything you're missing in your kitchen. And I was like, oh my goodness, there's this store here in Arlington, Texas, and this store has multiple locations, but today I'm here in Arlington, Texas, and the store, it's called Restaurant Equipment. That means they sell most of the things in there. They're for restaurants, big restaurants, if you're dreaming to open a restaurant. But of course they do that, but they have also things for your kitchen. You can literally go in there and grab something for your kitchen. So it's not only restaurant, it's just multiple things. So when I went in there, I was blown away. I'm like, I have to bring you guys here because Christmas is here. Somebody may be missing a knife. So and you're gonna get a knife in a manageable or affordable price. This restaurant, not the restaurant, this store, what they do, they sell used equipment and new equipment. It's used and at the same time the new equipment. So anything really you want there for your kitchen, you name it, this store is for you. So I wanted you guys to go with me so that you can see what I saw in there, because most of you will be like, oh my goodness, I need that, I'm missing that, I'm missing that. I want you guys to go with me so that we can see. Without further ado, let's go. Let's go. These are used. Look at the price. These are the stove, right? These are stove. These are restaurant equipment. Very nice. Some of them are used and some of them are old. So you have your restaurant, you're cooking your french fries. Wow, I love it. So here you don't have to break your bank, you know. You can come here and find something cheaper, manageable according to your price. So we have all here. Let's go the other side and see. Wow, this is for making what? Let's go in. Look at, they have this fridge. Most of the things in here are restaurant things, like a stove. They have fancy fence. They have this. Yeah. Oh, like this one here. This is the restaurant one. The one we put for the garage. Let's see. Maybe they have 3,000. Okay, look at it. Oh, we can get those things over there. Wait, let me come there. I love that they have everything here. Guys, look at that. They have all the machine here. What is this machine for? Those people own restaurants. Look at that. You can come here and get your machine. Like this machine is 4,000. Wow. Let's go this way. These are the spinner. They're here. And it's on clearance. Look at this one's here. The sink. Everything is in here in this store. Wow. If you want to start a restaurant, guys, all the equipment are here. I'm loving all this. Let's go this way. I don't even know where to go. The store is so huge. They have a lot of machines here. There's not even space, but you can see what I mean. So guys, I wanted to bring you here. I think this is a stove. Yes, it's a stove. Yeah, and you can easily afford here. Look at that. Hello. Yeah, like these machines are so huge, like 7,000. It's good. Let me come there. Look at that. Guys, they have a lot of stuff. Okay. Oh, I love these things here. I love these things when you have guests. You can come here and buy. They only 95. Wait, I'm trying to see. This is really good. If you have guests, you can put a warmer down here and you can serve your food. Wow, this is cute. And also they have steel wire here for washing your dishes. They have these brushes here for washing, $3 each. And this one is for washing, $3 each. I think this is mop. It's a mop, $8. Your brushes here. Everything, guys, is here. Dispenser? Yes, a soap dispenser. Ah, yeah. This is a soap dispenser. Oh, this is $12. I think this is 17. I don't think so. This one is for putting tissue papers. So I need to buy this one and go try, guys. How much is that? How much? Guys, we are trying to buy some stuff here. This store, I'm telling you, it's a store that sells everything. Guys, look at these plates. They call woven wood pole. They are very nice. They're $2 each. $2. This is $1.90. We need this pole. Guys, I'm gonna buy this one because my baby still love to eat French fries. So, but I'm thinking this one, I think we need one of this. Guys, this store has a lot of good things here. It's for basically for the restaurant. So if you're the restaurant owner and you're looking for anything, you can come to this store. This store actually is in Arlington, Texas. You can find that store there. These are containers for salt. You can put your salt there. Guys, this, you can weigh your things here. And that is a whipped cream dispenser. You see how it looks like? The whipped cream dispenser, and it's $46. They have the weighing machine, which is $54. Wow. And also, this is actually for making tacos. They have these beautiful spoons. Wow, I need to buy some of the spoons here for soup. Let me see. Guys, look at these kind of spoons here. Actually, they're $5 each right here, and they're all different kinds. If you like the plastic one, they're here, which is $1. And also, I'm trying to buy some stuff. Look at this one for your measurements. They're $433. And they have spoons. They have these brushes for your cooking. I love this one as well. Well, let's keep working, guys. The tongs are here. They're $160. $1.60. Wow, look at this. Enjoy, guys. I'm taking you around. Look at these dispensers. Wow, very nice. Oh, I wanted to buy a container that I'm gonna put my flour. I think, let me see which container is gonna be good for me. They're a little pricey here. I wanted a container like this, and I don't think they have a top. They have a top. Oh, they said a top separate. So if you're buying a container, you have to come buy this for 18. If you want this kind of container, I don't know if I should get this one. Let me see this one here. I'm looking for certain container. These are big. Guys, I have flour that I usually buy in a sack, but I could love to put that flour in a container like this one. Let me see this one here, $16. Maybe this one will work. Let's see. Okay. This one you put your things here. Look at these containers, guys. They're $20. The plates. Oh, this is the plates area. Look at the plates. The melon for Nairobi. See? Wow, it's like you buy a set. The set is $105, $121. Like these are the ones we have. All the plates here, guys. Even the cups for the restaurants, they're here. $11. These ones. Wow. Oh, this is the cup. You see this thing? This is the dispenser. Beverage dispenser. You see? Wow. It's good to see. This one, you put your French fries. How much? They're $9. These are spoons. Wow, guys, they have everything. This is when you eat a buffet, they bring you the sizzling. Yeah, the sizzling sizzle. These are the chairs for the babies when you go to the restaurant. Okay, everything they have here for the restaurant. Wow. So you guys enjoy. If you're the kind of person who wants to own a restaurant, you do not need a restaurant. You can just come here and buy, purchase your own. This is for cooking the burgers. You press the burgers down like this. The burger presser. All these are for huge restaurants, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video. all these pans. They have here this small saucepan. Oh, this is really heavy. Heavy. And they are $12, the small one. This little one is $8 and that one is $5. Wow, but they're worth it because they're heavy. This is this is for the top. Maybe you're missing a top of your pot. Just $7 here. The small one. They have even small one here. Even the huge one. This is really good because they're heavy. Oh, this looks like our pot. You see? I love this pot. $17. So you see, it's really good and heavy. It's called a fry pan. Alright guys, and they're ready for Christmas as you can see. So let's go pay. Oh guys, this is where you pay. And as you can see, the restaurant. Oh, I see something here that I didn't show you. Let me show you these little cups here. The little mugs here. The $21. Really nice. Look at that. Nice. They have this decorated one which is $21.88, and they have the plain one. So you choose. You choose. Look at that. This is really cute. Look at that mug for the drinks. They do auctions online. So you can go online and bet for your auction, and they have days. Oh, the next one is December. Oh well guys, we just finished from equipment store. So this is store if you have a restaurant, or if you want to own a restaurant, you want to start a business, or if you were missing something in your kitchen for personal use. Actually, this store has everything, and the prices there are manageable, and they have used and new things, equipment in there. So far I got myself steel wire. Oh, this is steel wire for $12. Look at that. So I thought, because I was there and I use this a lot, so let me go ahead and buy all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 12 steel wire in here. So this is what I got for myself. So guys, go ahead and subscribe to Moto Lifestyle if you want more content like this, where I'm taking you along my weekend. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.